Changing your primary device on Skillshare Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your web browser and go to the Skillshare website. Enter your login credentials to access your Skillshare Business account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access Device Management. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your new primary device. From the list of devices, identify the one you wish to set as your primary device. Click on the option to make this device your primary, following any prompts that may appear. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new primary device, ensure that you confirm the changes. You may receive a notification or email confirming that the primary device has been updated successfully. Now you have successfully changed your primary device on Skillshare Business. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Skillshare support for assistance.